underground now! Come on!
Get underground! Take cover right now!
The producers of Jurassic Park and the director of Speed bring you face to face with Twister.
Get out of there!
Hurry!
There's no place to run.
Right!
There's nowhere to hide.
Left!
No time to escape.
Right!
Don't think.
It's gonna drop right on us! Find something to grab a hold of!
Don't breathe. And never, ever look back. Twister.